Hey you little shitheads, I'm back again with another fucking video. As you can see, I have two soldering guns, a laptop right by it. I'm pretty sure these both are on. But I'm just trying to do a little bit of shit here. Now, as you can see, the soldering iron is on, and if you touch it, you'll burn yourself. So, I want to set the camera down somewhere, but I don't know where. Like, I don't know how the fuck to set it down. There. That works. I hate this soldering gun. And obviously this shit! Fuck, that hurt. This one's on. This one's also on. But very fucking hot. Both of them are on. Remember, don't touch, or you're gonna burn your fucking hands like I just did. I better go get some shit. Okay guys, I'm back with burn relief on my hands. Some dropped on the soldering gun, that's why you see it smoking. Alright, let's get back to soldering this shit and not killing myself. Ow, fuck. Yeah, you don't want to touch the this shit either, because it's metal, and when touched gives a very shit hurt. Don't know why this shit's not coming on here. Like, it literally doesn't want to come on. Okay, I got some on. Oh fuck, my phone. Fuck. Keep dropping my damn phone. Alright, camera angle. Oh god damn it, the camera angle is low the whole time. No, you couldn't even see this shit of what I was doing. Focus. Thank you. Okay, back to soldering and doing what I was doing. There we go. Now we got some on there. Fuck, that hurt. One thing interesting about soldering is that you can solder and take open this copper foil yet. This, I don't know what was going on with this before, but it only was producing out one audio jack. So I'm going to try doing two at a time. I'm going to clip two. And then I'm going to just go to work. By the way, the other soldering gun, the one, if you can see it, it's right there. Like, you can see the little nozzle. That one's a piece of shit. It's fucking, it says it's 30 watts, yet this one's loads more. It don't even look like it is, but no, it is. Okay, get that wire, and then get this wire. It smells like burning plastic. I can understand why now. It smells like ass. Come on. Note to self, some wires will stick to the thing if you ain't careful. And that's not hot either. I'm surprised. I'm guessing it cooled down quick. Just put one last piece of solder up on that wire. Fuck. Got my phone again. And phone. Oh, I don't know if it got that. So my phone, it I don't know what the hell it did, but it stopped recording, so I had to put another video in. You didn't miss too much. Good thing I was literally right there, but now the whole fucking thing's done. Now you want to test it before you put the whole thing together. See, which my dumbass didn't. And including, well, in what came, me for a surprise of having something broke. And this phone keeps fucking falling. No wonder why the thing crashed. The camera literally crashed. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done, and I was stupid enough to touch the soldering gun again. Alright, I made it as a T. Good enough. Now, I guess test it. And I'll just test it off camera, because I don't feel like doing it on camera. one thing though is that you really don't want to touch this, especially when there's loads of solder on it, and I'll just dump it on the floor. Ah, fuck my foot! Ah, what the fuck did I do that? Stupidity. Stupidity. There. Now it's done. And I kind of burnt a hole in the fucking table. Great. Alright, whatever. I'll possibly test it on camera, but I don't know. I'll see. I'll see if I can. So, I now know that both sides work, so that was just a little tutorial of how to be dumb. Literally, and I don't know. Sure, I'll put more tape around this too, so it doesn't drop. And where the fuck did I put the tape? See, more dumb shit. You know, I learned. Oh, and here's all the previous shit that came out of it. You'll learn more dumb shit from me every day. So, with that, I'm gonna be doing an hour of editing, so I can edit 3 videos together, because phone crashed 3 times. In any case, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice fucking day, and be sure to subscribe. You can always unsubscribe if you want.